sunod na performer, siya lang naman ang nagpauwi sa first eliminated queen ng season, and she lives to slay another day. Grabe watching her lip sync, such an exhilarating moment kanina. Naramdaman ko ang inyong thunderous cheers and applause. Please welcome Mix Chanel!
I guess it's funny from where you're standing, 'cause from over here I miss the joke. Clear the way from my crash landing. I've done it again, another number for your nose. I'd be smiling if I wasn't so desperate. I'd be patient if I had the time. I could stop and answer all of your questions as soon as I find out how I can move from the back of the line. I'll be your clown behind the glass. Go ahead and laugh, 'cause it's funny, I would too. If I saw, I'll be your clown on your favorite channel. My life's a circus, circus, round in circles, setting out tonight. I'd be less angry if it was my decision, and the money was just rolling in. If I had more than my ambition, I'd have time for please, I'd have time for thank you as soon as I win. I'll be your clown behind the glass. Go ahead and laugh, 'cause it's funny, I would too. If I saw, I'll be your clown on your favorite channel. My life's a circus, circus, round in circles, setting out tonight. From a distance, my choice is simple. From a distance, I can entertain. So you can see me, I put makeup on my face, but there's no way you can feel it from so far away. I'll be your clown behind the glass. Go ahead and laugh, 'cause it's fun, I want to. If I saw me, I'll be your clown on your favorite channel. My life's a circus, circus, round in circles, I'm setting out tonight.
Let's give it up for Mix Chanel, everyone! Iyayak din ako doon. Sorry po. Ganun po talaga. Palakpakan natin si Mix Chanel. I mean, you know, they're pouring their hearts on the show, but I'm hoping, you know, you push through, but very, very quickly lang, just take us through the emotions right now.
I mean, ganun talagang buhay, circle of life. Sometimes you're on top, sometimes you find yourself in the bottom. But when that happens, the only thing that you can confirm is versatile ka kong brands.
Yes, palakpakan natin si Mix Chanel. And get your tip! Umiyak siya guys, bigyan siya ng pera. Get your tip. At ito po ang kanyang QR. Yes, palakpakan natin si Mix Chanel. Tip your queen, tip your queen. Yes. Ayun, ayan ang kanyang Perya Couture. Gusto ko na nung nilabas niya yung tray, talagang lahat sabay-sabay. Wow! I mean, yun ang tinatawag niya i-K-gasp. Okay? Ay, grabe, Drag Race. Ayan.